Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Are You Technology BD channel. And today I will show you how to make a Microsoft Word document file convert to PDF file. Let's begin. At first, I will create a Microsoft Word document. Click here. Now write something. Suppose I live in Bangla. Yes, Bangladesh, Gopalganj. Now I will save it as a PDF file. Save as. You have to go this office button, click this office button and click save as. Whenever when you save any Word document or any document, you have to save as option. And when when you repair it or remake it or retype it, replace it, then you have to click save. You have also save from control S from your keyboard. And uh, whenever you first time create any file, Word document file, and you want to save as a Word document or PDF file, then you have to click save as an uh, PDF or XPDS file. To create a PDF file, here the, here the computer wants to know from me that or I will save this uh, file. So I will create a new folder and PDF file show, open and publish, and it will save here. No, go to yes. Do you want to save changes, friends and my followers? It's a very important place. Do you want to save changes to new Microsoft Word document too? Its main. Here you create this Microsoft Word document and its title is New Microsoft Office Word document. And if you want to save it and make changes of this file, you have to click yes. If you click no, then everything will be erased from your file. So be careful and be conscious. Save. So go to the PC, PDF file show. Here it is. You cannot write here because it's a PDF file. Usually, usually we make this Office Word document or Excel document as a PDF file because as if we want that no any any document of our PDF file, any word of our Microsoft Word document file will not destroy and we can understand it very easily. So uh, it's the only way and to uh, save this document perfectly, as if we can get it uh, perfectly, and every um, information and every data of your file will be safe. So that's all my video, and wish you uh, wish you best of luck for your happy journey, for uh, using PDF or make many XPDS or PDF file. And once again, thank you for watching my videos, and uh, stay with my channel. Keep safe and subscribe my channel and stay with me. Keep safe and like my videos and share and comment my videos. Thank you, friends.